This video is going to be about my March YouTube AdSense revenue, so let's just head on over to the revenue tab. I made an estimated $54.83 on YouTube in March 2023, and that is more than my previous months, which I am happy about to see that it's growing. So for my previous months, I started being monetized in November 2022, so we'll just start there for now, and I made $29.57. And then it kind of went up by a few dollars or so each month, so $30, $34, $37. And then March, I finally feel like I had like a decent jump. Like it was over $10, which is really nice. So I made $54.83. And I know it's not like a giant jump between the two, but to me, that shows more growth than the previous month. So I'm overall happy with that. And I do post pretty regularly. I try to post shorts at least once a day. I don't always do that, but I try to. And then I also try to post at least once or twice a week. And on the bottom here, like just kind of showing all the videos that I posted. And I was pretty consistent. Like I had a little bit of a break right here, but other than that, it's been pretty consistent overall. And that was just because I was on vacation visiting with my dad, with my husband. So I was trying to be really present and not really on my computers and phone and stuff. But every other time, I've been pretty consistent with posting almost every single day. So I am really happy with my consistency in March, even though it can be hard at times, but I'm happy that I stuck with it for the most part. So my highest paid day for March is going to be March 1st, where I made $3.21. And I'm not sure if that's because I posted a video or something. Yeah, it looks like I had one video go live on March 1st, and that was an income report video, which they tend to do better, so that kind of makes sense. And then my lowest day is probably going to be this day here, where it dropped to under $1. It's not actually loading like the amount right now, so sorry about that, but it was under $1. And then over here, I had another day under $1, and here as well. Like there was a few, so that's okay. But overall, it started to like go up compared to my history. And then scrolling down, my RPM is really low, and I honestly don't know why. I've been trying to figure it out because I'm in a very expensive niche, like all about making money online and running your own businesses, being an entrepreneur. And those are very, like I said, they're very expensive niches and usually have higher payouts. So I'm trying to figure out why my RPM is so low. And I have a feeling it's because my watch time is low. Like the average view duration during my videos are pretty low, around 1 minute to 2 minutes. And then I have some videos where it's between 4 minutes to 6 minutes, or like just on the higher end, and those actually have a higher RPM. So that's kind of my guess. So I just need to work on my videos and having better retention here. My top earning content is how to start KDP in 2023 for free, and then how much I made in February with KDP, and then this coloring book video, which is usually in the top, the resize Amazon KDP cover, which has been in the top lately, and then repeating patterns, I guess, was in my top 5. But these three up here are pretty similar, and then the resize one is kind of catching up at $5, and then repeating patterns, I feel like, is kind of way at the bottom, but it's fine. I'm really happy that this video, the how to start KDP in 2023, has kind of started to gain some traction, so I'm really hoping it continues to grow. And then my CPM is $9.45. So again, it's just really low for the type of channel I have, especially. And then my watch page ads, most of the money came from skippable video ads. And then there's just a range of percentages for the rest. I mean, I'm no expert when it comes to ads. I do have a certain method for putting ads on my videos. I've tried a few different ways, and the way I do it right now seems to work, but I don't really know what I'm doing, so I don't really want to share and then tell someone to do something that doesn't work. But overall, I'm happy with that. So to look at my views and watch time and things like that for March, my views were 30.2K, which is more, and 879.6 watch time hours, which is more than I've had, 248 subscribers, which is more, and then my revenue is up as well. So I am happy because overall in March, like my channel did have growth and a good amount of growth. And a lot of the views come from the shorts, which don't pay out as well. But I think it does help me gain subscribers, which hopefully in turn will help my lawn content. And looking at watch time, it actually isn't the highest watch time month I've had, but I am glad to see it kind of going up again. And looking at subscribers, it also isn't the highest amount that I've had. Um, but it's okay. It's pretty consistent, like in the middle, maybe on the higher end. So I am happy with that. Whereas with views, it actually is the highest amount of views I've had. But again, like I think that's all from shorts. And then looking at revenue, it definitely is more, as I showed you before. And you can kind of see the graph here, how it was going up a little bit gradually. And then it's a bit more of a jump. So I am really happy that it did start to go up like that. And now to show like my top video here, like the average view duration is 358, so it is higher than I feel most of my videos. Most of them seem to be around like this 217 one, or sometimes even less, like 153 here. But my videos making the most money have the most, like the longest view duration for the most part, it seems like. And their RPM and CPM tend to be higher. Not always, but they tend to be higher. And I'm sure it's probably making me more money too, because I have ads like within the video for those that are over 8 minutes. So maybe that's why as well. I mean, I'm not really sure. So this is my YouTube AdSense revenue for the month of March, and I'm hoping to get this up to about $100 a month, because we only get paid out if we make $100 a month, and it does roll over. So every month will roll over. So I have gotten paid, since if you combine these months here, it is over $100, which is great, but the $54 is not. So I have to wait to kind of have another month roll over, because I believe I had to use all 4 of these to get there, because these 2 were about $30, which is $60, and then add another 34 is $94. So I still wasn't over. So I had to wait for this month, which is February, in order to reach that $100 threshold. And now I'm at $54.83. So I'm hoping to get to $100 a month, so that way I can cash out every single month, because that would definitely be better than having to wait 2 months to get a $100 paycheck. So that's one thing that I kind of wish YouTube just paid out regardless of how much you made, but I'm sure there's probably fees and other things that go into it, and they probably don't want to have a bunch of like small payments go out. So I do understand, but that's one thing that I wish was a little bit different. And I'm really hoping to increase my RPM and CPM, and I'm not really sure again how to, because I'm already in an expensive niche, but I am hoping to find a way to increase that. Like if I need to increase my average view duration, which I should do anyways, like that will definitely be helpful. So I'm hoping to create better videos, better content, more intriguing videos for people to watch, and hopefully ones that they'll actually watch all the way through. So we'll see how that goes, but I'm overall really happy with how March went, and I'll show my actual total revenue so far with YouTube. Let me just change it to lifetime really quick and let it load. So my total estimated revenue so far is $187.27 with YouTube. So that I am super thankful for that, because I was making $0 for a very long time. So it's nice to actually be getting something from producing the videos. So I do appreciate all of you for supporting my channel, subscribing, commenting, liking, watching the videos, everything that you do. It all truly helps out, and I greatly, greatly appreciate it. So thank you so much for watching and listening. I hope that you have a great day.